this is the electronic DC load circuit, and we are operating the battery from this Keithley power supply. We are going to maintain it at 5 volts for the first 4 modes. This is our user interface where we have these constant current, resistance, power, internal resistance, and capacity measurement modes. First thing is to select the serial port our microcontroller is in and connect to the microcontroller. After that, we can choose with whatever mode we want. So starting with constant current mode, we can set whatever current. I'm setting 1.5 amperes. Send that to our microcontroller and start. And as you can see, the measured voltage and current gets logged here, and it matches with what is being drawn from the Keithley. Can stop that. Similarly, we can also set constant resistance. I'm going to set it as 5 ohms and start. We get the same type of thing, and that can be validated from the Keithley. The third mode is constant power. So I'll set a constant power of 4 watts and start again, and again you can see that it's being maintained at 4 watts. And we can also change the voltage and show that the mode constant power is still maintained. Final mode is the internal resistance mode, where we send a quick pulse and measure the change in voltage. So that gives us an internal resistance of this power supply of around 66 milliohms. We will be simulating a battery using this Keithley power supply, since discharging an actual battery was taking too long, and we'll use the cap MAH feature over here, and we'll slowly reduce the voltage of this Keithley, simulating how the battery discharges, and we'll measure the capacity in milliampere here. So we'll first connect it to the serial port. Now when we are measuring the capacity in milliampere hour, we can choose a current to set. So we'll choose 1 ampere, and we can start running. Now we'll just simulate the battery by slowly discharging this. As you can see, when the voltage becomes too low, it stops, and you get the final milliampere hour capacity. So in the discharge for the milliampere hour, the computer logged the voltage, current, and timestamp in millisecond for the entire discharge process, measuring the capacity in watt hour. So we can set a constant power of 3.5 watts and start the measurement. As you can see, that will be ulta. The battery will discharge. As you can see, the load has now stopped, and we get a final capacity of around 2.05 watt hours.